everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have some Scrap Diva design project shares for the month of August. This is video 2 of 2. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com, or you could also click on my affiliated link down in the description box below. You could also get a 20% discount for August 26th and 27th. There's a sale site-wide, excludes papers and bundles. And if you missed the sale, you can also use my discount code PRESTREMIC10 for 10% off of your purchases of metal dies. All right, let's get started. First up, we have this Steamboat Willie Treat Bag, and the Steamboat Willie Treat Bag is super duper cute. And there's a male and a female you can do. You don't have to, add this bow or the lashes. Yeah, you can exclude those. And so it's really, really, really adorable. You can put lots of treats and gifts in there. You can probably also put a clip or, tie it up or something, and it's just super duper adorable. And I made this theme to match the theme that I have here, the Cottage heart theme, so I just thought it was super cute. All right, so let's move on. We have this one here. This one is called the Steamboat Willie Memorydex number 2. Super duper adorable. And here we have that bow again. I did some embossing with some stars here, and it comes with this magic word with the shadow piece at the background, and then this really nice little pants. So I just thought this was super cute. And also in the cottage heart kind of theme, but this is like, both of these are my own vintage papers. So yeah, I just thought this was like so shabby chic. So yeah, let's move on. And then next up we have these this Memorydex. It's kind of got stuck to another project. Here is the Memorydex address stamp and die set. And so you can put it on your, I have a machine that like turns, and it's sort of like a Rolodex. So it's really great for storing like addresses and you want to see them right away on your desk or whatever. So you can turn the dial, and then so it's also stitched. So when you turn it, you have the address. And so we have name, phone, cell phone, email, address, and note. Oops. So this is the Memorydex address stamp and die set. And yeah, this whole collection is called Cottage Heart from Mintay. I just love it. It's continuing on with my theme here, the shabby chic theme. And then here we have some really beautiful tab sets, and this is tab set number 3, and it includes this cutout so you can put labels, and these labels are actually coming from this set here, which is really useful. It's the recipe card stamp and die set. And so what I did was I just used these. Look how many different words there are here. So yeah, there's so many themes you can do. So I did like a dessert theme kind of thing happening here. So we have donuts, and then you can even put photos or pictures of your donuts, and then a recipe in the back. And then we have cookies, and then so yeah, this is like super duper cool, and you can do the back label as well. And then the pies, and then bread. So yeah, so this tab set is really nice. It has 4 styles here, so there's like the tabs are going like this, which is really cool. And then you can just repeat it on the back. And it's really great to separate all your donut recipes, your cookies, and your pie recipes, and your bread. And you can just like, and you can do it like custom sized, whatever size you want. This could be like longer here. And yeah, this is the length of it. This is the total length. And so, yeah, super duper useful for your journaling and whatever it is. It doesn't have to be these, but I just happened to think it was like really cool to put all these desserts and pastries, kind of recipe cards. You can make them like that. So, very, very cool. And next up, we have this one here. This one is called the Mason Jar Shadow Box. Really super duper cute. You can even make this into a shaker, but I was planning to like hang like a little swing, like punch 2 holes here, attach like a swing or something, and then put like a little animal or pet on the swing. And you know, this shadow box could be like, you know, the swing swinging. So that's an idea, and I just thought it was super cool. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Just love this. It's great for, you know, gift giving. And I made this flap so that you could open it like this and put your gifts in there. And it's like you can put acetate on this to make it look like a window, and you can put treats, bags of treats in here and make it like a gift. So I just thought this was like multi-purpose use for this, which is really cool. And so let's move on to the next project. We have these ones. These ones are the bingo cards. And these bingo cards, it's size A2, so A2 bingo cards. There's 3 styles. Well, you can do mix and match them, so I'm probably thinking there's more than 3 styles. So we have the bingo, which is like this style, and then we have a bingo with this style here, and then another bingo style here. So that's 3 styles, and 3 styles of ribbons and banners. We have this one here, and then we have this one here with the banner, which is really cool. And then it's also layered, so this middle piece is you can layer it on top of that piece. And then we have this ribbon piece, which is really pretty. And I was thinking, if you've seen my video 1 of 2 for the August release, I made this journal, and then we had a lot of these journal pages, which also comes from scrapdivadesigns. So I thought this like journaling theme is really amazing, right? And so we can put these bingo cards for the group journaling swap. Like they're like, you can just like, you know, this traveling journal can have these game cards, and you have empty ones, and then you can fill out some of your goals for the year. So if it happens to be like, you know, it doesn't have to be like, oh, you have to start it in January or whatever, but it would be great if you start in the beginning of the year. So as you go along, you can do all of these things. Like I just put like some goals or things that I wanted to do and accomplish for the year. So you can even start in June and then carry on to the next year or something. Like it doesn't have to be the same year, but anyways, that's an idea. And so I'm just gonna read you some of the ones that I want to do for the year. And so I want to read 24 books within the year, try a new cookie recipe, and then learn to crochet, start a junk journal, redecorate a room, clean craft room, complete a coloring page, make a pom-pom, and And then sometimes something happens, right? Like I always get paper cuts, so that could be a thing for your bingo card. And then watch a tutorial, and then tiny watercoloring, and then I always say bubble tea because I love bubble tea. So if I happen to say bubble tea, then I get a spot there marked, and then here's the free space, and we have the start a project at 10 p.m. Sometimes like I'm a night owl. And then and we have kawaii draw, and then jigsaw puzzle, make a jewelry, lost phone in a craft pile. And it happened to me several times, like where's my phone, because I have like a whole bunch of mess on my desk. And then here we have diamond paints, learn a new technique, and then YouTube 2K subs, hopefully I will get that. And then pottery, glitter on face. I tend to get like glitter on my face a lot of times. And then start vacation scrapbook. And then we have finally a discover a new city. So these are some of the things I want to do, and I thought that was pretty unique that like each of your group members can do this for your journaling, travel journaling group kind of activity. It's really cool. So yeah, we can add those into the page of our traveling journal. This is from video 1 of 2 if you're interested in seeing it and you missed it. And so yeah, we have all these different, topics. And so here's that your turn, those Sisterhood travel journal sentiments. So I'm planning to put it there. It's like a game. It's like your turn or something like that. So I put it here, and then you can, like, all your group members can take a card or whatever. So that's pretty cool. And then we have those recipe tab cards that we have here. We can also add those into the recipe section right here. So yeah, this is so amazing. These journal pages are also from Scrapdivadesigns, and it's super useful here. And so yeah, let's move on to the final project. So the final project we have is this one. It's so amazing. I just love this. This one is called the Photobooth Pocket and Tag Set. How cute is this? I just love this. And so it comes with this really masquerade mask, and also the camera, and also something as well. As we go along, I'll show you. And this photo is also from the Sisterhood Travel Journal Sentiments here. Super beautiful. And this background piece is from my stash, and it's just so beautiful. Look at this. It's just so amazing. And then yeah, so it comes with these little tabs and the little sets for you can put your photo booths pictures in here, photo booth photos. And I think they're called photo booth strips, sequences, series, whatever you call them. So yeah, let's take a look. And it includes these 4 different style tabs here. So I did 4 to demonstrate the different tabs, and also this reinforcement hole. You can add a lace on there. Like there's different options you can do to like easily take these strips out of the really nice box here. I love how it's like going like cut out like here, so you can easily remove it, or you can have your tabs. You can also take out with very easily with the tabs or the ribbons. So here's one of them, how I designed it. It looks like this. It's super cute. And this photo frame is from my stash. And here you see that masquerade mask. And this camera is included. Super duper cute. You can put your photo strips here. So amazing. You can also, oh yeah, I forgot now that it kind of moved, this mask thing. You can go like this. It's so cute. And you know, let's pretend this is a photo. So cute. All right. Okay, so put this back. I just thought this was so cute, this whole set. So yeah, it includes that little handle for this metal set. And you put it in, and it's so amazing. It's just, you can put so many in. Mine is like layered, so I think 4 of them is like just perfect. But if it's not like layered like me, you could probably put more than 4 in here. So if it's just like photo strips, I probably think you could put like maybe twice as much or even more. So yeah, it's so pretty. I just love this. And you can even do it double-sided. You can put photos in the back as well. So I think this is a great storage compartment for your photo sequences. And yeah, here's another one. It's so cool. And then finally we have this one, and it includes this moon, which is so gorgeous looking, this moon. And it has these airplanes on here that you can layer on top of the moon. So yeah, it's like traveling photos. It's so adorable. I love this set for your photo strips, photo booth strips. It doesn't necessarily have to be photo booth strips. You can just have like little tiny photos printed out and just put it on here. So yeah, this is the Photobooth Pocket and Tag Set. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have so the sale is on August 26th and 27th, and if you missed that sale, you can use my discount code PRISTRAMIC10 for 10% off, and that will also be listed in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!